Historically, CRM systems have been used by sales teams to sell their products or services to customers. And CRM eventually became the system of record, where it has all the information about the customer. But then there are other departments that need access to that information, that customer information to serve their own needs. Let's say you have your customer support team. They need access to certain pieces of information about the customer. Your finance team needs certain pieces of information. Similarly, your legal team may need certain pieces of information if they are reviewing some of the contracts. Now, they did not have that access earlier because part of the information is controlled by the sales team, and CRM was not widely deployed. So, but the kind of information that is needed for each of these teams are different. And we are trying to change that by democratizing CRM. So now we are taking CRM and making it available to all functions, to all members who need access to a certain portion of customer information and access to the CRM system. So that's where we're launching Zoho CRM for everyone, where several members in the organization who needs access to that customer information can get access to that information. But once they get the access to the information, they realize that CRM can help them in multiple ways. So we have seen cases where they have seen the benefit of access to the CRM. Now they want to extend it for their workflow. And how can they do it? Obviously, they are not technical people. So now we are bringing in some additional functionality that will allow any team member to add new modules into the CRM system to help their workflow. Let's take a look at such features. We see that it is segmented based on the function. We have CRM for sales, for customer service, finance, marketing, and all of that. Now, let's say you're someone from the legal team and you have access to certain set of modules for the legal purpose. And these are all the modules as a legal team you have access to. But apart from these, because as a legal person, you deal with legal contracts, you may want to add a contracts module in there. But you're not a technical person to add a contract module, customize the CRM and all of that. So that's where AI comes in. So now people can go to CRM and they can create custom modules in the CRM system. The module creation is powered by Zia. So they can go to create module with Zia. And here I'm a legal person. I want to create a contracts module which are associated to deals, and also add an option to upload contracts. So as a legal person, I can just describe the kind of module I want and ask Zia to generate that module. Now, Zia now understands the context of your business, context of various other modules that are present within the CRM system, and tries to link up various pieces of information across the system and suggests a few fields in there. In this case, it is creating a contract name, contract owner, and doing a few things. You notice that there is a deal association. This is the lookup field where a contract is created for a particular deal, and this is the lookup field with permissions that can be changed on who has access to this particular module. And I also suggested that I should have an option to upload a contract, and it added a file upload property as well. I can obviously add new fields, customize the existing ones, and once I have all the fields that I need for this module, simply create it. Zia automatically creates that module. And I can go back to the module section, and I notice that the contracts module is created brand new. And now I can create a contract, and here you see all the fields that Zia added. That's how it is to create new modules with Zia in Zoho CRM. We are providing access to anyone in an organization, and when they are not technical, yet they should have the power of AI to create custom modules for them. That is something that we are adding in Zoho CRM now.